Here's the good stuff, guys. Wow. Got an exciting one for you today, guys. We are talking about this 1984 Mustang that is anything but stock. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today we're out on location, guys. We're not at Fox Resto. We are doing something a little different, bringing you another car review. I'm actually here with my buddy, Manir. Pretty cool because you guys know Tar Heel Fox very well, and Manir was the one that had a hand in painting it at our Dream Autos. Manir, welcome back to the channel.
What's up, guys? How's it going?
Yep, great to have you on here. And you know, I had to bring this out today because, you know, I was like, well, she's kind of going to her other home, I guess.
Yeah.
Well, it's not here, but it was at our Dream Auto for quite a while.
Good to see it again.
Yeah. Let him checking up on it, see how she's doing. We've already talked about a couple things. I'm going to get it in there. Things that you guys probably don't see on video, but are like annoying me. So I'm like, Manir, we got to get these fixed. We'll figure that out. But today, I already kind of showed it, but we're talking about this guy right here. It's an 84 Mustang. Was it originally GT or just a?
It was a 4-cylinder car, yeah.
Four-cylinder car. Wow.
So.
4-cylinder hatch. Manir's, I guess this is your primary car, your baby? I don't know, would you call it your baby?
Yeah, it'd be my baby. It's been with me a while. So
yeah.
It's got a lot of me in it. A lot of custom stuff.
Yeah, the first thing I noticed is the body doesn't look anything like an 84. I asked you if it was 85 or 86, but walk us real quick what you've done to the outside of everything.
Yeah, so my favorite of the 4i cars was the 85, 86. So when I got the car, I knew I wanted that bumper. And then I wanted it to be a little bit different than every other car too. So I molded in an 01 Cobra lower bumper.
Yeah, you don't see, I mean, I haven't seen another Fox with that on it.
2.5-inch cowl hood. And then I shaved the cowl panel where you typically have the
cowl
yeah, you
vent. Did. Look at that.
So there's no cowl panel, there's no antenna.
No windshield wipers?
No windshield wipers. Don't drive it in the rain.
Yeah.
You don't need those. Shaved the gas tank door. So the filler neck is back here underneath the plate.
Old school.
Yep. And then I got my battery cutoff switch. I molded in the 3-piece swing.
Oh yeah, you did mold that in, wow.
So I glassed it into the hatch. It has a Wings West rear 93 Cobra valance.
Okay, so it looked like a 93 Cobra, but it's not Cervini's, it's Wings West.
Right.
Okay.
And then Celine side skirts.
Yeah.
And then I widened the fenders an inch.
Did you?
I chopped them and stretched them and filled them back.
Wow. Do you occasionally
yeah,
burn some,
yeah, we might have a little issue on our hands there.
I think, yeah, he might have to clean something there, guys. 5.0 turbo, which this is just a badge, is it?
It's actually 5.8.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Harris made those for me.
Oh, did he?
5.8 turbo.
Our buddy Lou Creative.
Yep.
He's got, you know what? Harris, when are you gonna get me something? You're doing stuff for everybody. No, we're actually working on something, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, you got the same stuff over here.
Yep. So they're 315 Toyo R88 Rs.
315, wow.
Yeah. And those are those Victory custom split 5-wheel.
Didn't you just get these wheels on not too long ago?
Yeah, these haven't been on there very long.
You converted the 4-wheel disc, obviously. Is this the Cobra brakes
No,
too?
so they're Willwoods front and back.
Okay.
So 4-piston Willwoods in the back and 4 pistons in the front.
What do you got on suspension wise?
All on Maximum Motorsports coilovers.
Okay.
So.
You got a Maximum Motorsports K member too?
No, it's actually a UPRK member.
UPRK member?
So,
okay.
Maximum's coilovers, UPRK member, tubular A-arms.
Here's the good stuff, guys. So full suspension, wow. Now that is a clean engine bay. Look how clean that is. You ready to eat off of that?
It actually needs a lot of work. Thanks.
I mean, well, we could open that hood and you'd see. Well, he's seen it. You guys know too. But yeah, it's and that's a big turbo.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the BorgWarner S480 trick flow box intake. I actually had to chop this up as well to get it to fit under the hood.
Oh, look at that. Yeah,
so I slant cut both front and back.
Wow.
And it fit under that hood perfect. Because at the time I already had the turbo kit and everything built, so I didn't want to move the engine and I didn't want to change the hood either. That was the perfect solution.
It is small block Ford, right?
Yeah, yep. It's 357 technically, so it's bored 30 over. Stock crank, aftermarket rods, pistons, heads, cam, nothing too wild, and about 18 pounds of boost.
You've had it on the dyno before, I guess?
It hasn't been on the dyno in a while though.
Okay. What do you think it's pushing out? 800? that much?
It might. I've had a few people that have ridden with me that have had 800 horsepower cars, and they say it's all of that. I don't know if it makes that much. Definitely in the 700 range. The last couple times I've had it on the dyno, I had some issues, so I didn't have any good numbers.
Oh, okay. Well, I remember what you told me about this car. The last time we were in a car together, we were in that convertible that you did, and I was like, oh wow, this Coyote convertible feels fast. And you said, just wait. That's basically what you said.
Yep.
We're gonna take a ride in this, but I'm a little scared.
We'll take it easy on you.
Yeah. So that just, oh man, Ben says the same thing, and then he destroys my car. So, but she's beautiful. You had her about 9 years, you said?
Yeah, 9 years.
All right. Well, let's we'll go ahead and fire her up.
Let's do it.
All right.
Ready?
It's a little sleeper back there until you hear this up here.
Not too loud.
No, it's pretty quiet actually. So you get on.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, guys, we're gonna get set up in the car and go for a ride.
Let's see, how do these seatbelt works here?
Yeah, you may need to adjust them.
Yeah, probably.
They're for my small wife.
I'm probably a little bit taller and a lot wider than her. Is this a race car or street car? Because it feels like a race car.
We're on the edge.
Yeah.
Street car to me.
I figured you'd say that. It's kind of scary. We have to buckle up this much. What's the transmission? Forgot to cover that.
It's a TKO 600.
Okay. Tried and true.
Yep. I'm actually looking at getting a TKX for it.
Are you?
Yeah,
Okay.
I've been thinking about the T56 for a while, but I don't really need the extra gear, so.
I'm thinking about a TKX though for my coupe, my
Okay,
SSP.
yeah.
So if you go with it first, let me know how. Yeah, let me know how to. I had to roll the windows up, guys, because I want you to have good audio quality. I just got my AC fixed though in my car.
So you're making me sweat for the auto.
Yes.
All right,
Yep. You have to sweat for YouTube. Put a little sweat equity in here. I thought it would honestly ride a lot rougher, but
It's not too bad.
no,
right?
it's really not too bad. Oh boy. I'm gonna be in trouble. This is gonna be fun.
Like the way that sounds?
Yeah, I love that one.
Yeah.
I didn't know 85, 86 was your favorite year.
Yeah.
It matches the 85.
Okay.
Because he's just like carbureted more.
Right. Right out of high school, I had an 85 black T-top car with red interior. I love that car, but I ended up selling it to buy our first house.
Okay, that's always good.
Yeah.
You got this one now. So.
I got this one, and my goal with this one was to make me forget about the other one.
Was it? Okay.
Yeah. So.
Has it worked?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I've accomplished that.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Wow.
Yeah, it has a little more than the Coyote.
Just maybe, like a lot more.
Yeah.
The part that got me more was how it kept pushing me back. I literally think I said, oh.
For those at home, that'll be old quack. But,
Yeah.
Have you drag raced it at all?
No, and
Okay.
funny story, one of the guys at work, he's building an 85 box, and he's doing an all motor build, and the car is originally an automatic, so he's building a 408 and a 4R70W, and so of course, at work he smack talk each other, and anyway, so he wants to drag race me. He's building an all motor automatic car, and he wants to drag race me.
I heard it back pop.
Yeah.
I wonder if it shot a flame there.
Probably.
I normally, I have squinty eyes anyway, and I'm not wearing glasses, but I know in this video they're going to be even more squinty because I'm doing the full crap face.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh my God. I think this is the fastest car I've ever ridden in. All right, going back.
Did it leave your stomach back there?
Yeah, this is probably the fastest one. I can't think of a faster one right now. If it's less than 750, I would be shocked.
Yeah, it moves out. Setup, it's run the best it ever has for the last little bit. I've made a bunch of changes over the last year or two, just drivetrain wise, and it's helped out with a lot of issues I was having in the past.
What's the ECU?
It's a Pimp XS ECU.
Okay.
From Stinger Performance.
That's the same thing Harris is running in Calypso, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Trying to say something.
Yeah.
Turbo, right?
Yeah.
I saw the flames shoot out the pipe.
He did see the planes, guys. We're doing a YouTube video, so. It shot the plane. Good to know. There you go, guys. You get a lot of looks in this car, don't you? No one's ever rolled their window down and when I'm in Tar Heel Fox and saying, hey, I already saw the plane.
It's funny that was what we were talking about, too.
I know, right?
He confirmed it.
He confirmed it. He was pretty excited. You see the smile on his face?
He wanted us to roll down the window. He wasn't having it any other way.
Give you guys a look at the interior of the car. Got some custom door panels. Manir's thinking about changing those. He's not super happy with them, but the seats are Corbos, and I can tell you guys, they hold you really well. Middle console, was it originally console delete or?
No, it was originally a console car.
Was it? Okay. And this is nice. Is this carbon?
Yeah, that's real carbon fiber.
Okay. And check out his gauges over here, guys.
These are all the speed hut gauges. This is called a perfect tuning gauge, so I can cycle through all the stuff on the ECU, whatever I want to display.
Oh, that's cool.
So it shows me air-fuel ratio, boost pressure, coolant temperature.
Obviously not a factory wheel. And here's this a Grant. Yeah, Grant.
Old school Grant.
And the cage, you did the cage yourself, right?
Yep.
And what was funny, guys, I can't really move the seat back, but he said he kind of built the cage for him, which makes sense because we're a little bit height difference from here. So you got a rear seat delete?
Yeah, rear seat delete. Kind of halfway apart right now. But
Yeah. The fuel pump was not too loud, actually.
no, it has twin Walbros in it.
Does it? Okay.
Yeah.
And good thing he does have the fire extinguisher here. So I had mine. I put mine in my truck right now. It needs it a little more, but I have gas leak. I need to get another one. But yeah, she does pretty good. So this is how you start it right down here. Okay. Yeah, pretty solid interior. Well, we are back, and I can literally say this is the fastest car I've ever ridden in, and you guys probably know from that face I was making.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I haven't seen it yet. I think it's pretty good. Veneer, I think you made me do a pretty good face. So it's all your fault.
I'm happy. That's why I built the car.
Yeah, he's happy. I'm happy. I'm happy I rode in it. And kind of makes me want a turbo, actually, because the big thing for me was obviously I felt a fast car and a lot of torque, but you were high in the RPM range. I don't know, how high do you go up to in this? I forgot to ask.
6.
Only 6, real?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
He's probably only at 4, but it felt like, you know, we were at 2, and I was like, so
Yeah,
it's awesome.
The boost comes in nice and quick. So.
It does, it does. So amazing ride. But one other thing to show you guys here at the shop, we actually thought we were going to show you another FoxBody, but you sold that one.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Yeah.
And you painted that at the same time around mine.
Yeah.
It got painted shortly after, so that kind of like.
Because it was in the shop when yours was.
Yeah, I remember seeing that. But you know what? It's good because it was closer to Duke Blue. So you need to hear that.
Yeah.
So this is not his shop, guys. In case you're wondering, our Dream Auto is obviously a lot bigger than this, but this is just your personal shop,
Yeah,
I guess.
my house shop.
Yeah.
Play around.
Mach 1 over there, roller. He's doing stuff with that. You're thinking Coyote?
Yep, Coyote.
Is this Gen 1?
Yeah, Gen
I guess
1.
it doesn't matter at this point. You put whatever parts you want to in
Yeah,
it.
it has. I bought it for $500. It has a busted rod, so I'm gonna make it a Gen 2 short block, keep all the Gen 1 timing stuff, and make a good driver out of it.
Nice. Maybe we'll do a video on that. If you want to see that video when he's all done on that, leave us a comment below. But I'm excited about what's in here.
Yeah.
Because we've got Coyote, and I see.
We got another one.
But this is not just a Coyote.
Ford teamed up with Whipple, so it's
Okay, I thought it was a
it's
Whipple.
a Whipple blower.
Okay.
They're 2.9 on a Gen 1 Coyote Mustang engine.
Nice. And so what this is, guys, is what year is the truck?
It's a 66.
66 F100, right?
Yeah.
Long bed, but
Yeah,
it's going to be short bed.
Yeah, originally long bed. It's going to be a short bed. I have a Crown Vic front subframe in it. T-Bird independent rear suspension. And
Nice.
right now it has an MT82 6-speed, and I'm switching
Is
that
it?
out for a 6R80 automatic.
Look at how high the handle comes out of that. You're going to go automatic, though?
Yeah.
Okay. And you just painted it, though, right?
Yeah, I just painted it last weekend. And then originally it wasn't a two-tone, so I've decided to do the two-tone with the Wimbledon white. And the truck was originally Caribbean Aqua.
Okay.
So.
That's going to be a cool color. And you've already got the valve cover set up like that.
Yeah, because I drove it for a while before it had a flatbed on it, and I probably should have left it. I got a lot of grief for pulling it up. Pulling it
Yeah,
apart.
you know, we were supposed to get together back then,
Yeah.
and hey, it looked really cool, honestly, just to drive it around like that. You drove it on the street like
Yeah,
that?
I drove it for every day for about 8 months.
That had to be fun.
So yeah, it was great. I
So.
should have torn it apart, but that's life.
Another clean engine bay. I know you think it's dirty, but it's pretty clean. I've actually got a 69. I don't know if you've seen it, but
Yeah.
I got a 69,
Yeah,
so.
I love these trucks.
But it's a little bit different power plant.
Yeah, what's it have, a 390?
Yeah, but it's bored out and strokes at 434.
Okay, cool.
So, yeah.
Yeah, this originally had a 390.
Did it?
It ran great, and I was getting ready to put it back in it, but came across a good deal on this setup.
Yeah. Well, when you get this all painted, this is a video we definitely want to do because we love truck content too.
Yeah, maybe
And-
by the end of the summer.
Okay. All right. So we'll check back in on him with that. But oh yeah, and here's the hood right here.
Yeah.
And so you drove it basically. It pretty much all looked like this for a while.
It was in pretty good shape considering, but being a painter, it's hard to leave.
Yeah, I know. He's kind of a paint body guy, so you got to fix it up, right? It's hard for you to have a rust bucket.
Yeah.
Wait as it sees what I'm going to finish with the SSP, guys. Oh, with it sanded and clear coated. I don't think you're going to like it, Veneer.
That's okay. I do like it.
Okay. We'll let him take a ride in that. But that's going to do it for this one. This was a lot of fun. Big thanks, Veneer, for letting me come out and hang out with you. Check him out. Our Dream Auto. Do you guys need more business? Always, right?
We don't mind helping FoxBody.
Yeah, so if you got a FoxBody, check them out. If you need some work done, some performance work, you know, Coyote swaps. You do small block Ford stuff too, but horsepower builds and paint.
Yep.
Obviously, paint. We like the paint. So, all right, that's gonna do it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday, so you can count on that consistent content. And we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704.